Where to find the latest Add Your stickers for your Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you may wonder from where you can get the latest Add Your stickers, the most viral Add Your stickers. Well, I will show it to you in this video. First, you will have to go to your Instagram account and then search for this profile, Ali and John YTT. Go to your search bar and search Ali and John YTT. And now the latest Add Your stickers will be at my story. You will find them here, or you can just go through all of my highlights. I have October Add Yours. Here you will find some stickers from October. If you have trouble by clicking on it and if it's not loading, you just have to tap on the latest highlight multiple times and it will eventually load. I also have a video, a tutorial if you have trouble with loading the stickers, the highlights. You will find that in the description box below. Also, I am making videos with the latest and most viral Add Your stickers on my YouTube channel on World of Apps, so you can check that too. You can subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I upload a video with a very viral sticker, a very trending sticker. If this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can comment down below your questions and your thoughts about this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.